making some sugar cookies today. I had seen these over on Cooking with Shereen's channel. If y'all haven't checked out her channel, go check her out. She's really good. She's been on Good Morning America, on The Doctors. It's really neat. So to get started, you want to add 3/4 of a cup of butter. And you want this butter to be really chilled and cold. Just cut it into little pieces. Then add 1 cup of sugar to your mixer. And just combine these. You don't have to whip them, just combine them. And then this is one of the tricks she showed. A piece of wax paper, and then you add your dry ingredients to it. You add 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then you want to add your 2 eggs to the wet mixture. And just keep your mixer on low. Now you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And just take a little whisk and kind of mix up the dry ingredients. Kind of combine them a little bit. And then you just fold it over. And then just slowly pour into the mixer. A little at a time. I've never tried that before, but it really does keep the mess down. I'm usually so messy. I get flour or powdered sugar everywhere. Great tip, Shereen. Thank you. And you're just going to keep mixing until it kind of forms a ball. Now you get you some parchment paper. This is another thing she showed, where you put your parchment paper down and then put your dough within another piece of parchment paper. And then you start rolling it out to 1/4 of an inch thick. I had to fix the wrinkle in it. And now after you get it all rolled out to the thickness that you want, you do both halves that way. And then you just place them on a cookie sheet and stick them in your freezer for about 30 minutes, or you could keep in the refrigerator overnight. It makes it so much easier to cut out the cookie, using the cookie cutter to cut the cookies out. Now here you just loosen up the parchment paper on both sides. Oops. Slowly pull. And then you start cutting out your whatever shapes you want to do. This cookie dough, these cookies taste really good. They're really buttery. They were tasty. Oh, look at that little reindeer. And your leftover dough, you just reuse it. You just flatten it back out and put it back in the freezer and then reuse it. And right here, I'm just adding some sugar crystals to these. And I'm also going to make an icing and just icing some of them. And then I ended up putting some coconut on the reindeer ones. The coconut ones were delicious. They were really good. I'm definitely going to do the coconut ones again. I hope everyone has a wonderful Christmas and stays well and safe. Can't believe it's almost here. It's next week. It's just flown by. I just popped these in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Here's the glaze that I made, and I just done some of them with sprinkles. And then here's the coconut. When I used the coconut on the reindeer ones. I was just making some little designs. I'm not very artistic. But I thought they were cute. I thought kids would like them. Those are delicious. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you, Shereen, for this delicious recipe for these sugar cookies. Everybody go check out her channel, Cooking with Shereen. Thank you. Merry Christmas.